Today we're gonna bring in these waterproof patches for, it's a little bag for actually your phone, any personal items that you want to go swimming. They're perfect for that. They have they're waterproof, so these are perfect. You're gonna go to a pool, a beach, or any kind of vacation that you're gonna have, and they're a little light and easy to open, easy to set up. So we're gonna set them up and we're gonna test them out in the pool, see if they're really waterproof. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go.
It's not for families, it's just for students.
There you go. Open it up.
Shelter or they even
That's how you open it. And it has that flowing thing here, air, so you actually can float up in the water. And the instructions are in the back. All right.
So I always recommend when you get one of these products that you test it in the sink first to ensure there are no leaks or tears in the bag. So as you can see, we put a paper in the bag just to see if it'll get wet. So let's turn on the sink and see what happens. Make sure you just get really all around the bag and ensure to make sure that no water is getting in anywhere. Okay, so see how we're covering the whole bag here, and especially the top part where it locks. Okay, now let's turn it off. Let's open our bag up just to see if any water got in there. And as you can see, oops, that's the airbag. As you can see, the paper is completely dry. Okay, it got a little wet from pulling it out, but the rest is completely dry. So we know it works. And if you do lose it, it floats.